Hey everybody, I just wanted to come in here and make a quick video. I had not planned on making a video today, but I just felt so in my feelings about this that I'm like, I gotta come in and let the people know what just happened to me today. I made a video last week where I had gone to the dollar store and I didn't make many purchases. I needed tag labels, but I didn't get any because I knew that I had labels coming that I ordered online. So I resisted the urge. I didn't get any because I'm like, I had 100 labels were coming. So get this package in the mail today. All right. I open it up and I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm like, lies. This is nothing but lies and labels. That's what I should have called this. Maybe that's what I'll title this video. Lies and labels. I ordered 100 plant labels for $8. And I thought, oh, that's a good deal. 100 labels, great. Friends, these are the labels. Okay, that might not be enough of a visual. It might not be enough. You know, you may be like, Bernie, that looks sufficient to me. Do you see the size? Do you see this? It's the size. Okay, my pinky is longer than this plant label. I do not know what exactly am I supposed to write on this? I said, this is, you know what? I am not to be played with or trifled with, and you are not going to play with my money. You have already played with my time that I have wasted in waiting on these labels. They are promptly going back. It was a Walmart.com purchase. I didn't feel that I had to worry that it would be misleading or, you know, I'm like, I order stuff from Walmart all the time, and I've not, in my mind, I don't feel that I've ever been duped by anything that I've ordered, but today your friend got, okay? I got the whole okie doke played on me with these plant labels, and I'm just hot because I got my Sharpie. Look at this. I don't know what, is this a fine tip Sharpie? It's a fine point, but this label, the tip of this pen seems fatter than the freaking label here. And friends, I got bunches and bunches and bunches of things that I need to plant. And I have quite a few pots, trays, you know, little cells that I would like to individually label. Well, not today, friend. Not today. And not with these little microscopic size labels. So what I guess the moral of this story or the teaching point to be had here is pay attention. If there's a description, and like me, I thought plant labels, I don't need to read a description on this. I know what these labels should look like. Read the description, where it will give you the actual size and dimensions of said labels. Had I done that, I wouldn't be here. Had I simply done that, we would not be here. I would not be wasting your time. I would not be showing you all me looking like a fool because I got duped into getting these plant labels that I am not going to be able to use. So friends, yeah, I came down here in the basement and thought I was going to get a little something done. I was going to plant me up some stuff and label some stuff. Yeah, no, not to happen, not today. So there you go, friends. Labels and lies, lies and labels. That's what this is all about. I got duped, I got played, I got okie doked. Any other thing you want to add in the comment, that's what I got today. with this purchase and me waiting on it. And yeah, all right, so I'm going to have to take myself to Walmart tomorrow and return this and try and order some labels that are size appropriate. All right, guys, thanks for taking a moment to, hopefully this gave you a laugh, a little bit of information. I don't know what it gave you, but enjoy. And thanks for, like I said, sharing a few moments with me. All right, good night.